There's a city in Southeast Asia with a community that is in need. A need that not only affects adults, but their children as well. Here's one man's idea on what he plans to do about it.
Some people come here and they start a coffee shop or they start a tour company. They usually target foreigners. In our preschool, we're targeting the local people, and we want to provide a service and provide something for the community. In a preschool, we can provide childcare for parents who need to work. We need a local partner from this country to help us in setting it up. We're praying that God would send us a believer who has a vision for a preschool as well. The second partnership is with people from the outside who have done this before and may have some unique ideas or maybe even unique gifts that they can share with us. In having the preschool, we're not only helping the parents but providing the care for their children and providing activities for their children, but we'll also provide parenting courses to help develop the parents, and those will all be biblical-based workshops. And then as we build those relationships and those families ask us questions and get to know us, they'll get to know more about Christ and the person who sent us here.